How to share a Facebook Live link. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about sharing your Facebook Live link on your profile or with others. So first of all, you need to launch your Facebook application and make sure that it's updated to its latest version available. And also make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Once you're in your Facebook profile page, make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, tap on what's on your mind in the top of the screen. Once you do that, tap on Go Live option that is below Create Event. Now go ahead and tap on Go Live, which is highlighted in blue color. Now once the live has started, go ahead and tap on this Share button in the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on Invite beside your friends option. And after you have finished your live, you can go ahead and post it in your timeline as well. You can go ahead and tag your friends on this live and ask them to join you. So this was all about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.